The High Court's Criminal Division has directed that the cash bail that was granted to full-time presidential candidate Dr.Kizza Besigye by the Buganda Road Chief Magistrates Court be adjusted to $3 million because it was extremely too much considering the nature of the crime and what the law states as a punishment in case one is found guilty. We have more. Charged with incitement to violence last month, Besigye was released on $30 million cash bail by Grade 1 Magistrate Shs3m. The leader of the People's Front for Transition, Besigye, through his lawyer Elias Lukwago, filed an appeal before this very court last month, challenging the unfair terms that were imposed on him before he is released on bail, that is the $30 million cash bail. In the ruling done by High Court Justice Michael Elubu, read by Deputy Registrar Feston Senga, the court has highlighted that the nature of the crime that Besigye was charged with of inciting violence requires the accused person to serve a jail term of 3 years or a fine of 1,404,000 shillings if found guilty, considering each currency point is shillings 20,000. The court added that the offense with which Besigye was charged is not grave and therefore the bail terms should be fair and in tandem with the offense. He further noted that Besigye was charged with 3 other people, of which 2 of them were granted a non-cash bail and 1 a cash bail of $1 million, so it was unfair for Besigye to be granted a cash bail of such a huge amount. The judge said bail is not a punishment but rather meant to ensure attendance of the accused for the trial and reduced the bail cash term to shillings 3 million cash. Besigye is accused of asking the public to join him in protests over the high commodity prices, which tantamount to inciting violence, contrary to Section 51B of the Penal Code Act. According to the charge sheet, trouble for Besigye started on May 24th at Arua Park, Muno Village, Shauliako Parish in Kampala Central Division, without lawful excuse at an assembly made statements to members of the public to wake up and protest high commodity prices and what he described as stupid succession birthdays, an act which was calculated to have led to damage of property. Some FDC party members have been present in court in support of Besigye, including the FDC President Patrick Amliat.